Yo guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get into the breakdown of how I did that shot, I quickly wanted to share you some quick specs on this lens here. Again, we're using the UskeyVision 75mm 10 times macros lens. Super fantastic little lens here. I was quite impressed. I was a little leery on doing a review on this because there's, I was just like, great, another macros lens, but no. I'm glad I did. This thing is, it feels quality. One thing I'm really liking is the finish on it. The finish feels good in my hands, and it's actually, the weight to it was quite shocking when I pulled it out of the box. And that's another thing. The packaging was premium packaging. I was really impressed the way the packaging looked. The case was really my favorite. The texture on the case, just absolutely fantastic. So kudos to them for the packaging. I wasn't expecting that for the price. Again, the price is coming around about 45 bucks for this lens, and some people might be like, whoa, that's a little pricey. But think about it. If you're going to buy the Moment lens, you're looking at maybe $40 to $50 for the case. Then you're looking at probably about $130 for the lens. So you're looking at, well, almost close to $200. And I mean, at that rate, I can buy me a small mirrorless camera. I can buy a Canon EOS on eBay for $150. So that's quite an investment to spend. So again, plus you don't need the special case. With the Moment, you need the special case. With this, it does come with the clip that you can use to clip onto your phone, so it does clip onto any device. Now, on the negative side, I wish they also had an option for a clip for people who do have a Moment case. Again, like my MoonDog Labs has a new system on the back, which it actually integrates with my Moment case, which I thought was super fantastic. So that will be nice. If somebody does have a Moment case, maybe they can buy the Moment version. So something, I don't know. But anyways, I'm quite surprised with the quality of the lens here. The lens actually feels really good. I can't keep stressing how it feels in my hand. Like it's pleasing. It's really pleasing, and the lens the clarity on the lens was shocking. I was really pleased with how sharp it is in the center. Of course, all these macros lenses on the edge will have some type of fringing and a little bit of vignetting. That is just the nature of these type of lenses. Even if you were using the Moment lens, it will be the same issue. So I was quite happy with how sharp this was. I did shoot video with this. I actually shot more video than I did actual stills with it. So again, like you saw in the intro, you can get a very interesting look with it as far as video goes. So we're going to get straight into, I'll show you guys all the behind the scenes on basically how I got that shot. That's another thing. If you want, people who are already subscribed to my email list actually already saw a lot of test footage. That's with the macros lens on and the tele lens. Of course, the wind's blowing, so it's hard to get it in focus. Already sent to them. I have a special email here, email list now, and I'm sending a lot of my BTS work, behind the scenes work, and like a weekly email update. And I do it by video versus just text, because it's easier for me, and I like to shoot video. So you'll get a special video that you don't get on YouTube on the email crew list. So definitely take a look down in the description on that. And quickly before we get into it, I want to give a big shout out to Ann for also purchasing me a cup of coffee. And thank you very much. If you guys are interested in supporting what I do here, links down below. Buy me a cup of coffee. With all that out of the way, let's get into the footage here of me basically setting up this shot and how I was able to do it. Again, all the link for the equipment and all that stuff will be down in the description. Keep filming, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Peace. Alright guys, this is how I basically did this shot here. I have the tripod set up. I have my MOZA Slypod E. I didn't do any movement with it. I used it more as an arm to boom out even further. And then once I got up and over the notebook, let's get that there. I basically have the phone facing down and then flat like this, and then I'm gonna use the macros lens on it, and that's how I got super extreme close-up. Let me take a look at the lens here. Here's the lens I use. I use the Usky macros lens. It's like a 75mm 10 times macro lens. Super fantastic. That was the main reason why I didn't want to do any macro photography. I wanted just to see if I could do some video with it, and it turned out really nice. I was quite happy with it. It's also pretty nice. It comes with a nice little package here, little lens cap that you can use for that, and then it also has this nice little case here, another cap for the opposite end. I thought that was really nice. The packaging was really impressive. I was quite shocked for the lens. I wasn't expecting that. So super cool little lens here. I'll have the link down in the description if you guys are interested in it. Again, I'm just getting out some test shots with this, and I was trying to be a little bit different here. Instead of just shooting some macros photography, I figure I'd try and shoot some macros video. And I also was using MC Pro f24ps instead of my normal Filmic Pro. I've been using this recently. I'm really happy with the way this is. And this one I was actually just using it in pretty much almost its stock settings. I did change the crop ratio. I changed the crop ratio to a 2.35. That's where you get the black bars native. And what was really nice that I liked about it was this little button up here allows me to switch the orientation of the actual display, because the phone technically right now is upside down, and when I was using Filmic it was upside down, so I switched up and basically went to Filmic, back into MC Pro, and then I keep hitting this little button here. It allows me to rotate the screen orientation, so boom, now it's right side up even though the phone is upside down. Just little stuff like that, customizations I really enjoy. Alright guys, the Usky 75mm 10x macros lens. This thing is a moment macros killer. Get out there, grab you one of these, join the email list. If you like what I do here, buy me a cup of coffee. And again, down in the comments, let me know, do you have a macros lens? Do you want one? And what would you like to see me do with this lens in the future? Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Please keep filming. That's the only way you'll get better. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.